The electronic visa facility for about 43 countries, which would make travel seamless and hassle-free in India, has been launched. The tourist visa on arrival by electronic travel authorization would be introduced in a phased manner at 9 airports across the country. These include Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Kochi, Thiruvananthapuram and Goa.
हमारी सरकार ने यह फैसला किया कि टूरिज्म को विकसित करने के लिए जो अब तक का सिस्टम था, मैनुअल सिस्टम था, कि बाहर से जो भी यहां पर पर्यटक आते थे तो उनको जो ऑथराइजेशन लेटर वह मिलता था वह सारा वो सिस्टम मैनुअल था। एयरपोर्ट पर उन्हें काफी देर होती थी। इसलिए क्यों ना आईटी बेस्ड सिस्टम यहां पर इवॉल्व किया जाए।
As many as 76 counters have been created for this at these airports. ETA, that is expected time of arrival, will be available for a period of 30 days from the date of the tourist's arrival in India. The online visa facility will allow foreign travelers to apply for a visa and receive an online confirmation within 3 to 5 working days. The 30-day permit includes sightseeing, visiting friends and family, recreation, short duration medical treatment and a casual business visit.
It is a welcome move. It is a very positive move. E-visa already था कुछ countries के लिए, but now the reach has increased, so it will definitely help the sector. It is a deviation from the old policy, जहाँ पर हम लोग bilateral चलते थे, जो हमें वीज़ा देता था on arrival, हम उनको वीज़ा देते थे. But with the new keeping tourism as an industry in mind, it is a deviation from our old policies.
In order to get an e-visa, one would need to apply on www.indiavisaonline.gov.in along with the required fees. Countries that will be able to use the e-visa system include Australia, Germany, Japan, United States, Norway, Thailand, Israel and Palestine among others in the first phase. 12 countries currently enjoying the visa on arrival facility include South Korea, Japan, Finland, Singapore, New Zealand, Indonesia, Myanmar, Vietnam and Laos will also come under the e-visa facility. The e-visa is expected to give a boost to foreign tourist arrivals in the country. About 51.7 lakh foreign tourists visited India during January to September. With inputs from Nandita Dagar, Business Bureau, DD News.